What, Booey? Bunch of foods. Do you want to eat this morning, Bubba? Are those yours? Pears and cereal.
Maybe if I just pushed everything.
Throw your cereal. Ooh, is that good, Papa? Uh-oh! You lost your food! You lost it, Papa! You lost it, Papa! You lost it! You threw it! Is that okay? You don't have to do that. Red light's in your face. No, Baba. You don't want the rest of the Baba? No. What? What's that red light in your face? What's the red light in your face, Baba? What is it? Something you're not in the mood for.